Hey guys, how are you doing and welcome to this channel. I'm going to show you how Iranian makes their traditional tea. And as you can see, first of all, I'm going to show you a general view of Iranian cozy apartment kitchen. As you can see, this is completely simple, minimal and cozy with a white and black design, and it's completely minimal and simple. All right. First of all, if you want to make a traditional Iranian tea, you need to boil water. And as you can see, there is a kettle here on the stove. It's already boiling water inside it. And I'm going to pick you up and get you closer to see my tea treasure inside that cabinet. All right, guys, as you can see, the water in kettle is already boiling. Yeah, it's boiling right now. I don't know. Can you see that right now? And this is my tea treasure here. Oh, we can turn on an incense easily. It's not drugs or something else, it's just incense, you know. Just do that right now. It's on right now. And I have a creative way. I put it here. All right, it smells very good, like apple or something else. We need to turn off the flame. And as you can see, I have rose water for my tea, rose petals, and Morocco tea. I brought it from my mother's house. And tea spice, as you can see, there is cardamom or something else inside it. And traditional Iranian tea, as you can see. I will open all of these bottles for you. And this is another Morocco tea. It's not that quality this one has, but it's the same, Morocco tea. And also this one is fruit tea with like apple or something else, like orange or something else. I'm not sure about the combination, but I know that's fruit tea, all right? So let's make a combination with all of this tea in the teapot. All right, I'm gonna pick my teapot from this cabinet. This is my teapot. And as you can see, there is an attachment here. It doesn't allow the tea leaf came out from the mouth of this teapot. So I will put it here easily, and it helps us lots. All right, first of all, oh, can I sing a song? I see the crystals rain or fall, and the beauty of it all when the sun's come shining through. It's kind of impossible with these bottles. All right. First of all, I'm gonna put it here, the middle, and start with the traditional Iranian tea. As you can see, there is already a spoon inside. I'm gonna use this one. This one is enough, I think. The amount of. All right. Let's move on to Morocco tea. This one. Oh, this one has a spoon or two. I'm gonna take this one. Like, this is kind of saffron. I'm not sure about it, but as you can see, there is a saffron leaves or something else. Do you see that? The red one? It's gonna be fine. And a little bit fruity. It's enough. And also there is a rose petal inside, as you can see. I'm gonna add it separately. Rose petals. That will be enough, I think. Yeah. And original Morocco tea. This one, as you can see, have lots of more thing. And it smells very good. Oh my god. I'm gonna put more inside this teapot because I love the smell. And cardamom. Just one cardamom inside. There, it will be enough. and a little. Can I turn it? Come on. All right. A little tea spice inside this teapot. And for the last one, we have rose water. That will be fine. So we're gonna fill this teapot with the boiled water we already have and put it on the stove, and I'm gonna show you what is the result. All right, I'm gonna take a teapot here, and I'm not gonna burn using this one. Fill it with boiled water. It's like 2 liters or something else. 2.5 maybe. 2.5 liters capacity, maybe. Then we put a kettle here and put the teapot top of the head with this one. All right. So around like 10 minutes or 15 minutes, that's gonna be ready. I'll show you. All right. For now, I'm gonna prepare the tea tray. I'm gonna pick the tea tray here. This one will be enough, I think. Yeah. And this one is a smaller thing. I don't know. This one is better. All right. I'm gonna use. This is my special teacup, and this one for our special guest. All right. And we have some candies here. As you can see, we have some dates here. I'm not usually use dates or eat dates. And we have some sugar cubes here. We have some candies like ginger candy, mint candy. I don't like to use that. And also we have the crystal pure sugar candy, as you can see. And this look like a pure crystal, but it's just made with sugar, you know. And maybe I put 1 or 2 inside my mug. So 1 here, 2. That will be enough. And also we have some biscuits here. Maybe you would like to eat your tea with your biscuits. And there is another biscuits here. I don't like to use it. Actually, I hate sugar, but with the tea, we can. Also, there is a sugar inside if you want. So, I need a little spoon here and put it here. And we have sugar cubes. Don't bob, maybe dates. All right. So, let's check the tea if it is ready or no. As you can see, maybe I need to turn the flash on. Can I? During filming? Yeah. All right. As you can see, it smells very good, man. All right. I think it's kind of ready right now. And let's check the color. It's perfect. And as you can see, just pure teas came out from the teapot because of this attachment, as you can see, yeah. And you might think about why I use 2 cups of tea. I have to say, the second one is for you. I wish that you were here, everyone who you are, to have this cup of tea together, by the way. And end of this video. Thanks for watching and see you in next video, guys. Here you are, your cup of tea is ready.